So this is a very beautiful and spacious living space. So this is a very spacious kitchen where you get a 3. So this is our master bedroom. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housing. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video, I am going to give you the 4 BHK sample flat tour of Livians Uni1, which is located near Baner on Link Road, Vidate Vasti, Baner, Pune, and is developed by Livians Life Spaces. Before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. As you can see, behind me is the sales office of this project. And in front of the sales office, you get Baner on Link Road, जो left side से आपको connect करता है बानेर से, और right side से आपको connect करता है आउंड से. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 1.7 acre of land parcel with one tower, having ground plus 4 podium plus 26 floors, in which you will be getting 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am standing on the actual road, which is in front of the sales office, which is the Baner on Link Road. This project is located near Baner on Link Road, Vidate Vasti, Baner, Pune. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल which is 1.4 kilometers away, बालीवड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट which is 2.6 kilometers away, and Mumbai Pune highway which is 3.5 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has 40 plus luxurious amenities such as infinity swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, office space, yoga deck, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 4 BHK sample flat, which has 1818 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. And then this is your entrance's lobby, where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now, let me show you the living and the dining space. But before I show you that, let me also show you that just at the entrance, you get a puja area to set up your mandir. Now let me show you the living space. So this is a very beautiful and spacious living space, but this is where you get your couch setup space and you get your TV unit setup space right here. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is a dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy a lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a very spacious kitchen where you get a 3-side granite platform with a sink attached to it, and you also get a dry balcony inside the kitchen itself where you can set up your washing machine and your utilities, and you also get a kitchen storeroom where you can set up your kitchen utilities or groceries. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. So this is our first bedroom, where as you can see you get a lot of walking space here. You get your bed setup space right here, and you also get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now let us check out our second bedroom. But before I show you our second bedroom, let me tell you, just in front of your second bedroom, you get a powder room which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your second bedroom. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space right here and your bed setup space here. You also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now let us check out our third bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, you must be wondering what this door is for. Well, let me tell you. This door is the connected washroom that directly connects you to the study room. So this is our third bedroom, where just at the entrance you get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our very spacious third bedroom, which is the parents' room. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space here. You get your bed setup space right here, and you also get a study table setup space there. And you get attached windows to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now, before I show you the fourth bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. But before we check out our master bedroom, just in front of your master bedroom, you get a common wash basin. So this is our master bedroom. As you can see, it's very beautiful and unlike anything I've ever seen. So just at the entrance, you get a sitting area space where you can set up your couch, and you also get your TV unit setup space here, and you get separate windows attached here for ventilation and natural lighting. Now this is a separate space, but it has been included in your master bedroom. So let me show you the bed setup space. As you can see, it's already very spacious and has a lot of walking space. You get your bed setup space right here, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. But that is not all. You get your vanity space right here, and you also get a huge walk-in wardrobe space here, and you also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of Livians Uni1, which is located near Bane on Link Road, Vidhate Basti, Bane, Pune, and is developed by Livians Life Spaces. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.